turning on this camera right now because I feel like garbage. And these are the times that normally you would never see. And as a YouTuber, as somebody who has a good amount of people following me, I feel like it's my duty to turn on the camera right now and share with you the times that, again, nobody sees and nobody realizes. And I'm going through a 75-day hard challenge right now, 75 days in a row. I am forced to push myself to do 2 workouts a day, one outside, 45 minutes. It could be a walk, it could be a run, it could be whatever you want. And 45 minutes inside, read 10 pages a day, take a progress picture a day, each and every day, follow a diet, whatever that is for you. For me, it's just eating clean, not eating junk food and whatnot, and drink a gallon of water a day. So a lot of those things are easy to do. May not seem like they're that easy, but they are pretty easy to do, but they're also easy not to do. And again, it's not like I'm, crushing the gym twice a day and hitting weights. I'm really only hitting weights 4 to 5 times a week, and then the rest of my workouts are pretty much just walks. But they're easy to do, but they're also easy not to do. And it's the same way it is in business. It's easy to, go sourcing, but it's also easy not to. It's easy to choose to turn on TV and watch, Love is Blind versus, choosing not to and spending an hour reading and learning about something. I feel like garbage today. Just got back from the Miami seller conference and got myself a little bit of a cold. Now, I know people are going to be like, well, you should be staying inside and, you should be resting, right? You shouldn't be going outside in the cold, and probably shouldn't. It's probably 45 degrees out here. It would be nice to sit in my bed and stay nice and warm, and it's certainly probably not helping my cold being out here because I am pretty cold. But, the reason I started 75-day hard was to push myself and to challenge myself. And if you think that, you're always going to be able to do what's right and what's healthy all the time, and that you're always going to be able to just be comfortable and you're never going to have to push yourself out of your comfort zone, I'm telling you, you're in for a surprise. Because when you're in business, there's going to be times where you're going to have to do things you don't want to do. So you're telling me right now, if you're running a business and you have to pay your bills and you have a family that you have to support, but you have a cold and you don't feel well, so you're telling me you're going to take the day off from work? Now, obviously, I'm in a different position. I don't have, a family I'm supporting and kids and whatnot. But the reason I started this 75-day hard challenge was to push myself and to do things that are not easy. And again, I know there's going to be comments saying you shouldn't be out there, you're pushing yourself too hard. Well, what are you going to say to that person who's got a family and they're just getting by and they don't, and what are they going to do? Just not work? They're just going to take the day off? This is why I'm doing 75-day hard, right? Not to kill myself out here in the freaking freezing cold. My hands are freaking super cold just holding this camera. But it's to train myself, to build the discipline, to do the things that I don't want to do. Because in business, there's so many times you're going to have to do things you do not want to do. Pretty much every single day, there's things I don't want to do. Now, it's my job as the CEO, right? The entrepreneur, to set up systems and processes and to be able to design my life and my business the way that I want, so I can focus on the things I enjoy, focus on my highest leverage activities, find other people to do the things that aren't my strengths and things that don't leverage my God-given ability, right? And each one of us has something special that we're really good at or things that we enjoy. But this is why I'm doing 75-day hard. And this is why I've turned on this camera right now. It's about 9 a.m., all stuffed up, feeling like crap. Do not want to be out here at all. But I'm out here not because I'm trying to lose weight. I'm not out here because I'm just trying to check the boxes, although I guess I am to an extent. I'm out here because I'm trying to train myself to be the person I know that I need to be if I want to reach my goals. Because life's going to punch you in the face. There's going to be things that happen. There's going to be people that pass away. You're going to get sick, right? You're going to go through episodes of anxiety and depression like I've been going through in the past. I'm definitely getting a lot better. And what are you going to do? Just take the day off? I'm just taking the day off. Right? I'm not going to work. My kids, they can feed themselves. I don't have kids, but for some folks out there, I have big goals that I want to achieve. And I know life's going to get harder as I get older. now's my time in my mid-30s to build up my finances, to build up my business, because at the end of the day, you never know what life's going to hit you with. There's people out there who are going through traumatic things, losing loved ones, getting diagnosed with cancer. I mean, I could go on and build out a dark picture, but if I can't get outside for 45 minutes in the cold, when I have a little bit of a cold, it's not that crazy, and I did test negative for you know what, so don't worry about that. Then what's my excuse? That's why I'm doing this, guys. And if you think you're gonna just go on to, Amazon and eBay and start making a bunch of money with your poor habits and your poor discipline, and you can't even drink a gallon of water a day, you can't even go outside for 45 minutes, you can't read 10 pages, you can't take a progress picture. When I'm saying you, I'm talking to myself. Then how the heck are you gonna succeed in business? How are you gonna grow a successful business? You think Amazon and reselling and running business is easy? If it's so easy, why isn't everybody else doing it? Because it's not the fact that you're just going out and scanning items and sending them to Amazon. The hard part is you have to do it consistently. You have to deal with refunds. You have to deal with changes. You have to deal with life. And doing these things consistently and building a business isn't easy. This is why I'm doing 75-day hard. Because I got a ton of problems, a ton of issues. When you go on social media and you see me, you think you know me. You don't know me at all. Sorry to say, and you don't know anybody on social media. Because social media is the highlight reel. Social media is sharing all the great things that I'm doing in my sales, but you don't see all the stuff behind the scenes, right? So that's why I turned on this camera today, to share it with you. So I got about 40 minutes or so left. Hopefully this video added some value to you guys. I'm feeling good though. Like outside of like having a little bit of a cold, I am feeling good. I'm down about, 10 or 12 pounds or whatnot. Mentally feeling a lot better. Feeling like I'm regaining a lot more control over my life. And I'm pumped up, guys. I'm super pumped up. Even though I don't feel good, I'm getting out here. I'm getting after it. And then after this walk, I'm going to jump in the sauna. And I'm going to plug away. So you guys keep going. Much love to everybody. Appreciate you. Talk soon.